Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to ask ChatGPT to tell a joke so you can add a little humor to your day. Let's get started. To hear a joke from ChatGPT, simply ask tell me a joke or can you make me laugh? And ChatGPT will happily oblige with a funny response. You can also try variations like give me a pun or knock knock joke for different types of jokes and a good chuckle. Feel free to ask for as many jokes as you want and ChatGPT will keep the laughter coming. Remember, humor is a great way to lighten the mood and brighten your day, so don't hesitate to ask for a joke whenever you need a smile. And that's it, you now know how to ask GPT to tell a joke. Get ready to laugh out loud. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to ask ChatGPT to tell a joke. Laughter is the best medicine, so keep spreading positivity and joy. May your days be filled with laughter and happiness. See you on my next video where we'll uncover more delightful features together. Happy joking!